Yo, what's up guys? Hella bright, right? Sorry. Yeah, welcome back. Today we're gonna be removing that ugly red steering wheel that I just don't like. No offense to the previous owner. No. Although I am rocking the red hat trim today. It's just not my taste. The red steering wheel, it's gotta go. The interior is all black. Like, it would look so much thicker if it was black. Even the OEM steering wheel I think would look a little bit better. But again, that's just my preference. So in today's quick video, I'm remove the steering wheel for you guys. Being that mine's already aftermarket, it might be a little bit easier, but it should be essentially the same thing, right? So the first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the battery from the back for at least an hour. At least an hour for everything to drain out, because you don't want this thing to pop in your face, because you can get hurt, and you don't want to get hurt. After that, essentially what you're going to do is remove the airbag. So on the side of these steering wheels, got these holes that you can kind of barely make out. Mine's already bigger because I've been messing with it. Same thing on this end. You probably can't see it, but on the opposite side there's a hole right there. Yep. And what you want to do is stick a flathead like this, flat, not like this. You're gonna stick it flat into the hole, right? And then you're gonna feel kind of like this. You gotta play with it till you feel this spring, and it'll feel like it's kind of pushing your, like there's a little bit of resistance. It's kind of pushing back. When it does that, you want to push the airbag in and push the spring, and then pull. And when you pull it out, it should pop out, right? And you're gonna have to do that for both sides. Once you do, it'll look like this. So you'll have it hanging by two harnesses, a black and a green one. You're just gonna go ahead and disconnect that. Alright, so I ended up using a pick to kind of lift up the edges. Hopefully you guys can see that, but I lifted up the edges because I wasn't able to use the flathead without feeling like I was gonna break it. So the little pick on the edges, and then pretty much just pop these straight up. Bam, and your airbag is nice and removed. Let's remove this black one harness just by pulling it out, straight out. There's no pinching on it. And then for this top one, bam, stick a flathead right there on the top, push it down and pull out. All that's left to do here is just take off this big bolt. I got the bolt loose. I ended up using my size 16 with a couple ugga-duggas. Sunday! Alright, and snapped off really easily. I tried doing it by hand, and it just felt like I was stressing the steering wheel too much, so I decided to just leave it and grab the gun. So, got that one removed, and I believe that is it, you guys. Yeah, boy. Alright, so I ended up removing the steering wheel, right? What you're gonna have to do is lift up this trim to get the controls under. To do that, I have to remove these 3 bolts on the back of the steering wheel. They're T20 Torx. Alright, so we got both steering wheels ready, right? I mean, the carbon fiber would have made it look a little bit cooler, but yeah, it's definitely gonna look sick on this one. Ooh. Ooh. Oh. Oh, kill him. Nice, but yeah, it's not for me. Not for me. So next I gotta remove these bolts from the top and bottom on both sides to get these controls out. Alright, so got the bolts out. They ended up being T27s, right? 4 of them, and after that you just want to push these controls in. Bam. And then it's got a little harness running to the bottom. Careful. Just make sure you untuck it and pull it out on both sides. This trim will be ready to go back in its place here with this one. All I have to do is put it back in place, kind of clip it. Bam. So steering wheel's on. From here, you're just gonna put the big bolt on. Bam, that's that. Here you want to connect this top harness in again. Bam. There's neon yellow and gray on the top as well. Make sure it doesn't come out by its free will. I believe there's extra blue cables for the heater core, which obviously these aftermarket steering wheels don't heat. Airbag. You want to go ahead and connect those harnesses back on to the back of here. Yeah, once you got the harness on there, pretty much gonna want to clip it back on and then make sure it doesn't come loose for both of them. Alright, so from there just press the airbag in and it's locked back in its place, not going anywhere. Install is pretty much done, so check it out. I mean, I think it looks so much cleaner with the black. Woo, I'm excited, you guys. Like, I know you can't even tell because right now it's really bad lighting, but I'm excited. So yeah, thank you guys for checking out this pretty dim DIY. I'm excited to drive this car. As soon as this snow melts, we're gonna be out ripping it, and we're gonna have a lot better steering wheel to match with the car with that. So let me know what you guys think, if I did a good job or not as far as color choice, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.
Smash that subscribe button, bruh.